2 bevel cups to pick the windshield. This is just our demo tool that you see here, just for demonstration purposes only. Now to inspect the part, you can toggle the tilt, come over and inspect the part as needed. This is slowed down so we can speed that up, slow it down. Usually tilt it back into place and put this back into the rack position. This is on a single point torque arm, so we can raise and lower this up and down, move it X and Y on the bridge crane. Now to release, the vacuum off button will not work until you pull the common trigger at the same time. You'll set the part into the rack, pull the common trigger, hold the clamp, vacuum off in this case, and release the tool from the part.